1928. It's the Victory 6. Dodge, I was 4-cylinder until 27 or 28, I'm not sure. But it's got the 4-wheel drum brakes. It's got the wooden spokes. I love these old Dodges. Very well engineered cars. So the Dodges always had their tanks in the rear. So you've got your gas gauge right here. Chevy's on the other side, but it's similar. I mean, the frames look really similar to the Chevy. This is another direct competitor to like the 28 Model A and the 28 Chevy. It's a high-selling vehicle. There's a lot of these still around. And you go up and look at the top. You got that soft top of the vinyl grain material. It's not my favorite color, but it's a beautiful paint job. It's a bigger, heavier car than the Model A and the 28 Chevy. It's a much longer wheelbase. I got to drive a 23 Dodge Touring, and it drives like a more massive, bigger car, even though it's not like a Packard or something really huge like that. I have one of these hubcaps too. These are cool hubcaps. I'll have to show you my Dodge Brothers hubcap. They call it Dodge Brothers because it was two brothers. These guys, they work for Ford. They helped design the Model T. They actually built Model T engines and transmissions until 1913, I think. I have an old Model T rear end differential with Dodge Brothers stamped on it. Around 14, they split up with Ford, started their own company in 1915, I think. Don't quote me. Check this out. You got shock absorbers. You got a radial arm shock here with a strap to hold that, to fix it to the frame. That's a really cool feature. I wish we could open the hood on this thing and take a look at the motor. We can't do that. I think I actually have that motor meter too. It's got a nice instrument cluster inside. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this here. Here's your windshield wiper motor. Right on the dash. Really cool. So, got the suicide doors in the front. Spoked wheels, but it looks like they've been chromed or something. Very cool. Very cool. This is kind of a nice style. You just see the massive size of this car compared to like the Model Ts and the Model A's. This is like a big, heavy car compared to the little light Ford feel that. What's this over here?
Yeah, take a picture. Oh my God.
32 Ford. This looks like a nice original. It's a 1930. It's got the 3031 instrument cluster.
Has that top like the Dodge.
Yeah, it's got that stuff. You look at the cowl here. You've got how it's kind of one piece formed over. But you notice on this body style, there's no visor. It's just kind of cut off. That's the style they used later in 32 and up, I think, for the Model Bs. And man, that's a beautiful car. I wish I knew what body style that is. Is that a Victoria? They don't have it listed. Somebody's gonna. Oh yeah, you know that's a Ford radiator cap. That was a Ford accessory. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Very, very original looking car. Take a look at the back here. You know, I just noticed, look at this over here. This old touring car. Is this, it's a Buick.
1923.
23 Buick. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wood spoke wheels. They did that nice pinstriping on there. It's got these kind of pan-shaped lights too. Take a look at the interior. Oh, that's leather.
Look at this one. Look at
that is leather.
You see the footrest?
Yeah. I love little like luxurious details like that.
There's little lights in here too. I don't know if they're original.
Oh yeah. You see, you have the lights on the side there.
It's a Buick.
And then look at the dash here.
This is ultra luxurious model.
Yeah, and then you have the gas and the spark on the that little quadrant on the column.
Like your Model T.
Like the Model T, but it's Buick. 3-speed, parking brake. It's a much bigger car. You could probably fit my Model T inside this thing. Fuel tank on the rear. Little trunk.
Yeah,
A couple of spare tires.
It says Bird, Toss, New York, the trunk.
Yeah. So these are the holders for the top. When the top folds back, the irons go in here, and then you can lock it down in place. You've got nice metal. Oh, it's a glass rear window. Shoot, that is nice. Get a top-down view here. Yeah, you just look at the wheelbase on that car. That'd be an awesome parade car. It's got these nice wind wings. Yeah, awesome. Let me take a. Oh, that's the cowl lights here. It's kind of that same hand type shape as the headlights. Bumper. You got the little Buick symbol there. Yeah, there's Buick there. You got these shock absorber with the belt there. That's a loud motor. I'm speaking loudly, so that's not this Buick. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, that's a nice 1920s style. Thanks for joining us again here at Copper State Treasures. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh wait, that was the entrance. I can't go out the entrance. I have to go out the exit toward the setting sun here. We've been here all day. So you remember the end of the Indiana Jones Raiders of the Lost Ark, where they store the Ark in this big government warehouse, and it's just like endless just crates and so forth. This is like the Barrett-Jackson version of Raiders of the Lost Ark. The endless parking lot goes on forever.
Where's my car?